Understanding the phrase, hidden from view, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating English phrase, hidden from view. Understanding such phrases is crucial for mastering the English language. So let's dive in and uncover its meaning and usage. The phrase, hidden from view, implies that something is not visible or cannot be seen from a certain position or perspective. It's often used to describe objects or people that are concealed, either intentionally or by natural circumstances. This phrase is versatile, applicable in various contexts like mystery, privacy, or even nature. To better understand, let's look at some examples. 1. In literature, the treasure was hidden from view, buried beneath the old oak tree. 2. In daily life, the small village is hidden from view by the dense forest. 3. In privacy contexts, he kept his diary hidden from view to maintain his privacy. These examples show how the phrase can convey a sense of mystery, concealment, or privacy. Understanding synonyms can expand your vocabulary. Similar phrases include out of sight, concealed, obscured, invisible. Each of these carries a slightly different nuance, but they all relate to the idea of something being not easily seen. When using this phrase, consider the context. Mystery, use it to create a sense of intrigue. Privacy, apply it when discussing things kept away from the public eye. Physical concealment, it's perfect for describing objects blocked by other objects. Hidden from view is a versatile phrase that adds depth to your English vocabulary. We hope this video has helped illuminate its meaning and uses. Keep practicing, and soon, the mysteries of the English language will no longer be hidden from your view.